In this video, we're gonna be reviewing the Quick2Lend website. If you are somebody who wants to lend between $250 to $3,000, this is the website and the platform for you. So here you guys can see that you can borrow from like 3 months to 36 months, quick loans of $250 to $3,000. Zero upfront fee or cost, or you can go and get the loan as quickly as you want. So here you guys can see that if I go down, and you will see the options right here. So step one is we need to know a little about you. Complete the 2-minute online request with your basic information. We will search our highly specialized lending panel for a good match. Your personal data is saved with us. Get approved within 3 minutes. Review the offer presented, check the loan value, the period you have to pay back the loan, and the APR terms. If the loan suits your needs, you can accept and have the funds deposited quickly. Receive the cash loan. Once approved, you can finish your acceptance with the lender and have your funds deposited directly to your bank account. So here you guys can see that this is OLA accredited. So OLA is basically the alliance, which is the one responsible for giving the authority to lend and borrow the money online, and at least they are accredited by them. So this organization is working since 2005, and this whole thing seems pretty much legitimate platform. So here you guys can see that this is examples of APR, total loan cost, and the fee for the qualified customers. So if you are gonna borrow $1,000 for a period of 12 months, so the total amount of money that you will return is $1,134, which is not bad actually. So at the end of the day, it all depends upon your credit score. So if your credit score is very low, the amount of the interest rate could go as high as 36%. And if your amount of the credit score is pretty high, it can go low to as low as 6%. So this is how you can do it. So the next step is I'm going to show you how you can request the funds. So just go to the request funds section. And in the request fund section, I'm gonna request some funds. For example, how much would you like to borrow? For example, I want to go and borrow something like between 2,000, or I can go between 1,500. So that makes pretty much sense. If you're gonna pay for some bills, or you're gonna pay for the debt consolidation, so in that way, the APR percentage will be higher than the other scenarios. So for example, if I'm gonna go buy a car, the APR or the interest percentage would be lower as compared to the paying bills. So if I go and press on the next step, so do you have a checking account? No. Next. What's your current employment status? Just give your information to it. So give your information to it and follow the next steps, write in all the stuff, and then go to the next step. By going through the website and by reviewing everything, at least I can say that this looks very legitimate and I don't feel that it's a scam. So you guys, if you are interested in getting loans between $250 to $3,000, you can hit this platform for that. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Bye.